People who snore sleep like this, and then during the daytime they become mouth breathers, they become less attractive than the people who are nose breathers.
All right, this is why if you're a mouth breather, you need to sort it out like ASAP. Not only can it drastically change your face shape, and it can cause loads of other issues like dehydration and just reduced oxygen intake. And this just leads to you waking up feeling groggy in the morning. But don't worry, this is how I solved it. I started taping my mouth while sleeping. I got it after seeing a ton of celebrities doing it as well. And since I got these, I don't think I'm ever going back to not taping my mouth and sleep. I got a whole month supply for like $11 off a TikTok shop. These are going stupidly viral right now, and if you want to try the ones that I get, if they're in stock, I'll leave it linked right here.